That's LT.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's just dope, man.
You want for a ride?
Hell yeah.
That's your fucking Chevelle right there?
Yeah. Later, suckers. Whoa, hold on.
You need to start that shit?
Yeah.
That fucker sounds mean, dude. That fucker sounds mean. If you can even get out of this motherfucker.
Yeah, this thing
What
is
you been up to?
bad. Saturday cruise
Right,
night.
cruise night.
Let's go.
Is there a lot of cops out or what?
Yeah, but they're just doing their
They're
rounds.
being cool?
Yeah.
Fuck, dude, burn out. I missed the gear.
Holy fuck, bro.
Missed the gear.
It's all good, bro. This shit is nasty.
This guy's everybody's always like, do a burnout. I'm like, fuck, there's no room, motherfucker.
Yeah, as soon as I seen the end, they're like, what the fuck?
Come out to have fun.
Yeah, that's how I was in the Chevelle. I was getting it.
Yeah, well, why fucking not, man? It's the end of the fucking world. Might as well have fun.
That's why I was like, Ivan, 2020 is shit.
Yeah.
Let's fucking die in our cars.
I love it.
This is a fucking badass car, bro.
I've had this thing since I was 16.
Really?
Yeah, dude.
When did you do the swap?
It's been in there for years, man. I probably had that in there for 10 years now. I blew it up once. Now it's 383. You know what I mean? I ain't even got a tune on this bitch.
Where'd you pull it off from?
That's out of Cop Car Caprice.
Oh, okay. Like
So
the
it's
Interceptor
all steel
engine.
block. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
man. They're
Yeah.
bulletproof.
Oh yeah, dude, I'm hard on it. Fucking, it's just a Saturday night car. I only bring it out to fuck around. You know what I mean? Oh, what the fuck?
It's shattered.
Oh shit.
Drive shaft, everything. It's disgusting. You know you're a car guy when you fucking laugh.
Well, that's stupid. I was talking to somebody the other day. I'm like, why the fuck is it so cool to spin tires?
Yeah.
But it is. I don't know why.
It feels good.
I wonder which one of those is me. Oh, probably these center ones right here.
Man. Bro, this thing's fucking so dope.
I love this car, dude. I've had it forever.
Man.
Everybody loves these styles, dude. You can't even get these cars hardly no more. That's weird. You got the exact style of Chevelle I like.
You like that?
65, 64.
You had 15 fucking Chevelles. This just gets it like a motherfucker, bro.
I love this shit. It's
fun, bro.
Yeah, we'll have to go out sometime. I like that the cops ain't really doing shit out here.
During COVID, when this started,
Right?
I was just like, this is so much love
Right.
for the city to do this.
It's all fucking revving high and my throttle's stinking.
is so fun. It's so fun. This is the best ride of my life.
All that's on GoPro. It's America, motherfucker. Yeah. You're one of the assholes that's getting us kicked out of here by fucking running your car like it ain't fucking shit.